Hi, my dear subscribers and students as well as friends. Today I am going to deliver the lecture on rate analysis problems. I already discussed the part which consisting of factors affecting the rate analysis and what is the rate analysis and what is the load carrying capacity of trucks, etc. Now I am going to deliver the lecture and the important rate analysis. So let us start the lecture. आपण आता रेट ॲनालिसिसचे प्रॉब्लेम्स कसे सॉल्व करतात याचं लेक्चर चालू करू. हे लेक्चर तुम्ही शेवटपर्यंत बघावी इच्छा म्हणजे तुम्ही रेट ॲनालिसिसमध्ये पक्के होताल, चांगले रेट ॲनालिसिस करू शकताल आणि एका चांगल्या इंजिनियरची निशाणी आहे की त्याला चांगले रेट ॲनालिसिस किंवा इस्टिमेट करता येऊ शकतात. Let us start our first problem. First problem is the prepare the rate analysis for the BBM in cement mortar 1:6. What is BBM? It is the burnt brick masonry. Assume the volume of brickwork as a 10 cubic meter. You know that brickwork is measured in cubic meter, length multiplied by width multiplied by breadth. Assume the size of bricks with mortar. Without mortar, the size of standard brick is 19 by 9 by 9 centimeter, and with mortar it is 20 by 10 by 10 centimeter. And the dry volume of mortar required is 10 cubic meter is the wet volume. We have to consider the voids and other factors and which increase the dry volume of mortar. आपण जे ओलं मोर्टर असतो त्याच्यात आपण ड्राय मोर्टरमध्ये पाणी घालतो किंवा ड्राय मोर्टर्समध्ये व्हॉइड्स असतात आणि त्याच्यासाठी आपण काही पर्सेंटेज कन्सिडर करावं लागतात त्या ड्राय व्हॉल्यूमसाठी अँड दॅट इज द 35% व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ द ब्रिक मेशनरी. सो 35% ऑफ द 10 cubic meter, that is 35% of the 10 cubic meter, because we are going to consider the volume of brickwork as a 10 cubic meter. So the volume and that is a dry volume required for the brick masonry is 3.5 cubic meter. Then how to calculate the volume of cement? Volume of cement is dry volume divided by sum of proportions. What is the sum of cement? That is 1. What is the sum of sand or coarse aggregate? That is 6. So 3.5 divided by 1 plus 6, that is 7. Then what is the answer? The answer is 0.5 cubic meter. Okay, that 0.5 cubic meter is for 1 multiplied by 1 you get the 0.5 cubic meter and multiplied by 6 we get some certain 3 cubic meter is the quantity for that sand. So 0.50 and what is the volume of one cement bag as already discussed in the previous lecture. आपण आधीच्या लेक्चरमध्ये बघितलं आहे सिमेंटच्या एक बॅगचं व्हॉल्यूम 0.035 क्युबिक मीटर इतका असतो म्हणून 0.50 डिवायडेड बाय 0.035 the answer is 14.28. So we go for the higher side and the cement bag requirement is the 15 for that BBM in 1:6. Then we are going to calculate the volume of sand. So that is same as that of first step. Dry volume divided by sum of proportions multiplied by content of sand in proportion, that is 1:6, that 6 is the proportion of the sand. So 3.5 divided by 1 plus 6, that is 7, and multiplied by 6, that is 3, that is the volume of sand. Then number of brick requirement, that is volume of brick masonry divided by volume of one brick. It is so simple. So 10 cubic meter divided by 0.20 multiplied by 0.10 multiplied by 0.10 means 20 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter is converted into the meter. So that is 0.2 multiplied by 0.1 multiplied by 0.1. So number of brick requirement is 5000 for 10 cubic meter. So we get the quantity of material. So we prepare one table which consisting of material and labor. So what is the cement requirement? That is 15 bags. What is the rate of cement? It may vary year to year or month to month. So I take this rate as a 350 rupees. It may be a 400 rupees or it may be a 350. And what is 15 multiplied by 350? We multiply these cement bags by this rate. We get the answer as a 5250. Then what is the sand? Sand is the 3 cubic meter. What is the rate of sand? That is 3500 we consider per cubic meter, so that is 10,500. And bricks requirement is the 5,000. And what is the rate of one brick? 8 to 10 rupees we consider 8 rupees, so that amount is 40,000. And we consider some scaffolding rate also, that is 500. Scaffolding means परांच्या किंवा विटासाठी जे आपण सेंटरिंग उभारतो त्याला सुद्धा स्कॅफोल्डिंग असं म्हणतात. देन we considered it as a lump sum. We don't know the exact rate, but we considered it as a lump sum. Then mason requirement for 10 cubic meter 10 masons are required, as we discussed in previous lecture. आधीच्या लेक्चरमध्ये बघितलं आपण. आणि तुम्हाला लेबर जे लागतात मजूर ते 18 लागतात आणि 2 भिस्ती लागतात. भिस्ती म्हणजे पाणी देणारी माणसं. त्यामुळे 10 आपण मेसनचा रेट 700 घेतला, हा 800 किंवा 1000 सुद्धा असू शकतो. 10 multiplied by 700 that is 7,000. 18 multiplied by 400 that is 7,200. And 2 bhistis, that 2 multiplied by 400 is the 800. Okay. Then we consider the contingencies as 200 rupees. It is lump sum. It is around to 2 to 5% of total estimate of the work, but we considered it as a 200. So what is the total? That is 71,450. Okay. So that is the total of material plus labor. Then we consider as water charges. That water charges is 1.5% of the total. So 1.5% of 71,450 is 1072. We consider that as a water charges. Nowadays water is also precious. And add contingencies, add contractor's profit, that is 10%, already discussed. So 10% of above calculations, that 10% value is 7,145 and total is 79,667. It is so simple. So rate of BBM per square meter, it is wrong, per rate of BBM per cubic meter, that is total cost is 79,667 divided by 10. So we get 7,966. So we get it as a round, that is 8,000 or 7,970 rupees per cubic meter. That is the rate of brick masonry per cubic meter. So how it is arrived? It is very simple, but you must know that 30% of the volume, that is the crunch part. Everybody must know that 35% of volume of brick masonry, we consider it as a dry volume. Okay. So such a calculations are so simple. Step by step we have to follow the procedures, and you must know the table how it is prepared. And nowadays Excel is very simple, and you can calculate the rate analysis by using MS Excel. Then second part is or second problem is the prepare the rate analysis for 12 mm thick cement plaster in cement mortar 1:3. So assume the area of plaster. You know that plastering is measured in square meters, so we considered some area that is for 100 square meter. So volume of mortar required is 100 and thickness is 12. So we calculate in cubic meter, that is 1.2 cubic meter. We convert that thickness into meter and multiplied it by 100 square meter. So you get the cubic meter content, and that volume is 1.2 cubic meter. Assume add 30% more to fill up the joints for the voids also, for other purposes and wastage also we increase it as a 30%. So 30% of 1.2 is 1.56 cubic meter. Then dry volume required is 25% more than that of total weight volume. So weight volume is 1.56. We increase it by 25%, so that is 1.95 cubic meter. So one must know that. Fill up the joints we consider 30%, and for dry volume, voids and other purpose we increase it at a 25%, or sometimes we can increase directly by 50 or 52%. Okay. So volume of cement required is dry volume, that is 1.95 divided by proportion is 1:3. So 1 plus 3 and multiplied by 1. That is cement proportion, that is 0.49 cubic meter. So number of bags required is volume of cement divided by volume of one cement bag in cubic meter. And I already told you that one volume of bag is 0.035 cubic meter. So 0.49 divided by 0.035, that is 13.9, say 14 bag requirement. So it is so simple. And sand requirement is 1.95 divided by 1 plus 3 multiplied by 3, that is 1.463. That 3 is the content of sand in proportion, that is 3. So that is 1.463. So cement we consider rate as a 350, 14 multiplied by 350, that is 4,900. Then sand is 1.463 cubic meter, rate is 3,500 as previously considered, and multiplication is 5,120.5. Then add for scaffolding or centering lump sum, that is 500. Then we go for the labor. We already considered the labor for mason. 8 masons are required. Then Mazdoor requires are 10 and Bhisti requires are 10 as considered in our first lecture. And the rate of mason is 700, rate of Mazdoor is 400. You may consider as a 500 nowadays, and Bhisti also 500 or 400. So again we consider some contingencies in lump sum, that is 250. So the total of all of this is 24,370. So add 1.5% as a water charges. So that water charges become 366, and total. Then add for contractor's profit, that is 10% of this, that is 2437, and the total is this one plus this one plus this one, that is 27,173 rupees. So total cost divided by 100 square meter. So you get the cost per square meter as a 271.73. That is, we round it off, and that calculation is around 275 rupees per square meter required for plastering. Plastering in proportion 1:3 for 1 square meter. But for calculation, we considered it as a 100 square meter and thickness is 12 mm. So we multiplied this square meter quantity by thickness in meter to get the volume of mortar. That is so simple. That is the second type of problem for plastering. Then we go for third type, that is very important, PCC. PCC is required for foundation, and assume the wet volume of PCC as a 10 cubic meter or 100 cubic meter. For cubic meter we consider as a 10, and for square meter we consider as a 100 square meter. So dry volume requirement we already studied in first lecture, that is 52% more than that of wet volume. Why? Because of voids. Why? Because of wastage. So 52 divided by 100 multiplied by 10 plus 10, that is 15.2 cubic meter is the dry volume requirement. Then volume of cement bag, you know that dry volume divided by sum of proportions and multiplied by 1, that is cement content. So 15.20 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 4 multiplied by 1, you get the cubic meter quantity of cement as a 2.171 cubic meter. We divide it by 0.035, that is the volume of one cement bag in cubic meter. So you get the 62 bags. Then sand, that proportion divided by 1 to 4 means 1 plus 2 plus 4 multiplied by 2, we get 4.34 cubic meter. And 4 means twice than that, that get 8.68 cubic meter, that is the volume of coarse aggregate or aggregate. Then we prepare the table, that description, quantity, rate per unit or unit and amount. So cement bag requirement is 62. We consider rate it as a 350. So amount is 21,700. Similarly for fine aggregate or sand, 4.34 multiplied by 3,500, you get 15,190. And for coarse aggregate 8.68, twice than that of sand requirement. and rate is 900 rupees per cubic meter, and the rate is amount is 7,812. You must know that 2 masons are required. Majur requirement is 20 and Bhisti requirement is 5. As discussed in previous lecture, rate of mason is 700, rate of Mazdoor and Bhisti is 400 rupees. So you get that 1,400, 8,000 and 2,000. Then we add for contingencies in lump sum, that is 300 rupees. So total this one plus this one plus this one plus this one, you get the amount as a 56,402. Then total add 1.5% as a water charges, you know that. So 1.5% of that above amount is 846. Add 10% contractor profit and total is 62,888, and divided by that volume in cubic meter, you get the amount as 6,289. So we round it off as a 6,290 rupees per cubic meter for PCC in 1 in 2 in 4, not 1 in 1.5 in 3, okay, or not in 1 in 4 in 8, but you can calculate that. It is very simple and easy. हे कॅल्क्युलेशन्स फार सोपे आहेत, सिम्पल आहेत, इझी आहेत. फक्त तुम्हाला वेट व्हॉल्यूमचं कन्वर्जन ड्राय व्हॉल्यूममध्ये करताना किती टक्के ॲड करावे लागतात हे माहीत पाहिजे. व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ सिमेंट बॅग 0.035 क्युबिक मीटर हे माहीत पाहिजे, आणि लेबर रिक्वायरमेंट चांगली माहीत पाहिजे. वॉटर चार्जेससाठी 1.5% ॲड केले पाहिजेत. कॉन्टेंजन्सीज लमसम पकडली पाहिजे, आणि 10% कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर्स प्रॉफिट पकडलं पाहिजे. देन वी गो फॉर RCC. RCC म्हणजे काय, त्याच्यात रिन्फोर्समेंट असते. सो व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ RCC इज 10 cubic meter and 52% for conversion of wet mortar into dry volume, or conversion of wet volume into dry volume. So dry volume requirement is 52% of 10. So 52% of 10 is 15.2 cubic meter. We divide it by the proportion that is similar as 1 to 4. So 15.20 divided by 7 multiplied by 1, that is the volume of cement. So divide it by the 0.035, that is the volume of cement in cubic meter, you get the 62 bags as that of last problem. Then dry volume requirement, similarly such a calculations are carried out, that is 4.34, and twice than that of course agreement requirement, that is 8.68. Here in RCC there is a steel. RCC मध्ये स्टील असतं, म्हणून assume volume of steel reinforcement at the rate of 1% of volume of RCC. So 1% of 10 cubic meter is 0.1 cubic meter. That is very important. You may consider this 1% of volume of RCC as a volume of steel reinforcement. So you must know the density of steel rod, that is 7,850 kg per cubic meter. So 0.1 multiplied by that density, volume multiplied by density, you get the weight, that is 785 kg. So similarly the calculation in table, description, quantity, rate, unit and amount. 62 bags, rate of cement bag is 350, that is 21,700. For coarse aggregate the rate is 1,800, but that is not a coarse aggregate because the rate of sand is 3,500, but the rate of manufactured sand is less, that is 1,800. So you get the rates on lower side, so that is 7,812. Coarse aggregate rate is 890. It is somewhat varied in this problem, and the amount is 7,725. Steel is 765 kg. Rate of steel is 65 rupees per kg, because of rate of steel in quintal is 65,000 to 70,000 for quintal. So that rate arrived as a 51,025. Add contingencies or add for shuttering or form work, that is 500. Then mason requirement for the RCC 2, Mazur requirement is 20 and Bhisti requirement is 5. The rate are 700 and 400 respectively, and you are carried out that calculations as carried out this multiplication. Okay. Then for bar bender also the rate requirement is 700 per day, same as that of mason, and for Mazur one mazur is required with bar bender, that is 400. So the total is 1,01,462. Okay, add 1.5% as a water charges, that is 1,522, and add 10% contractor profit. So this calculation arrived at 1,13,130 divided by 10 cubic meter, you get the amount as 11,300 per cubic meter. So you have to carry out the calculations in this manner. So one must know that how to carry out the calculation. One must know the rate of labor, one must know the rate of material, and one must know the conversion of wet volume into dry volume. One must know volume of cement bag in cubic meter. तुम्हाला ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी माहीत पाहिजेत. या सगळ्या गोष्टी तुम्ही माहीत जर करून घेतल्यात तर रेट ॲनालिसिससारखी सोपी गोष्ट नाही. तुम्हाला हे लेक्चर निश्चितच आवडलं असेल तर लाईक करा. आणि फॉर मोर डिटेल्स अँड नोट्स कॉन्टॅक्ट माय ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटर विरेश चंदा and his phone number is 87668 47055.